go, snothead.
You know, I thought we were past that.
Maybe he already knows and he's cooled down.
I'll split his 40-button poop!
And you listen to me? I'm an idiot. Ask anyone.
See you there, sucker!
You could fill a book with all the things that only you and your genius brain noticed.
The world according to Snotlout, or the wit and wisdom of Snotlout.
A short story.
A work of fiction.
Very funny.
We have to decide what to do with all this scrap metal.
Throw it in the water with those nuts and pollute the ocean? I want to go on the record as saying...
Shut up,
Snotlout! Hey!
We have to wrangle these kids before somebody really gets hurt.
What do you call these, Hiccup? Beauty marks?
We're gonna give you a CBB on that.
I'm sorry, CBB?
Contrived by a bonehead.
This was a much better idea 1,000 feet lower.
So now we're looking for a pack of aggressive dragons with multiple attacks.
Isn't it great?
That's mine! Where did you get that?
Fish legs. I used to attack you guys every other week. You didn't think I would come away with something?
Bam!
So next time you have an important job, you'll...
You have to fight Astrid for it.
Never be the guy who stays behind by himself.
For the most apples held in Zippleback's mouths and smashed with a mace at one time, are you ready?
It's not like you have another dragon eye laying around. You have another dragon eye laying around.